Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your brand files using Dropbox Backup, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Dropbox website. Once logged in, locate the backup option in the left-hand menu. Click on Backup to open the backup settings page. You will see options to backup your computer's files. Select Choose Folders to Backup to specify which files are important. You can choose folders like Documents, Pictures, or any custom folder you have created. After selecting your folders, click on the Next button. On the next screen, review the folders you've confirmed that all the necessary files are included in your backup selection. Click on the Start Backup button to begin the process. Dropbox will now start backing up your files automatically. You can monitor the backup status in the same section. Once the backup is complete, you'll receive a notification. To ensure your backups are up to date, check this section regularly. If you'd like to add new folders to the backup, simply click on Add More Folders. Select any additional folders. After making changes, remember to click Start Backup again. If you ever need to restore files, go to the Backup section. Click on the View Files option to see your backed up content. Select the files or folders you want to restore. Click on the Restore button to recover them to your original location. For added security, consider setting up automatic backups on a schedule. This ensures your important files are continuously backed up without manual intervention. Regularly check your backup settings to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. You can also explore additional Dropbox features for enhanced file protection. Remember to log out of your account after you're done to secure your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.